Okay, now it's recording. Now it's recording. Now it's recording. So, okay, guys. So we were saying about today's market, how today's market went. So today's market, this one is today's market. Okay. So today, so this one is for MRS. This one is for MRS. This one was for MRS. This one is today's market for MRS. Yeah. Mm. Okay. So in the morning, we said that we are waiting for this market to go up, then to bounce off the 50 moving average or the 200 moving average. So this one was for MRS. The people are trading mostly MRS trading. This one is for MRS trading. So here was your entry, guys. Here was your entry. Was our entry for MRS. Then, guys, I told you the other time that on moving average, on moving average, you'll tend to see W patterns on the moving average. This is what I told you the other time, that let's say, for example, this one is the moving average. Or it can be maybe, for example, trend line. It can be trend line. It can be, so long as something that does the market that is moving on a support. So I told you the other time that let's say something is going to bounce in the moving average or in any or trend line. So the market will behave like this. Bounce off then do like this. You form a W pattern. Then goes, guy. Sometimes this second leg can be a bit like this. Can be not on the same size like this, but this one is a W pattern. See? So this one is the same as this one. Can see this one? We had here a bounce, then we had, you can see the second leg here. I don't know if it's I don't know if on a line chart can be clear. See how it's clear? Good. I told you the other guys. I told you the other time that if you want to confirm, if you want to confirm that you are on the right track, or maybe you want to confirm a W pattern or an M pattern, if this pattern is clear, or for example, or another pattern is not clear. So you can just confirm with the moving average, with the line chart. It works very well. It works very well. So, so here was your entry. So I'm expecting this market to break this region. I'm expecting this market to break this region here. Yeah, because here the market's kind of like it's a ceiling. It's kind of like it's a ceiling. Can see? Yeah. So if this market breaks this region, then we're going to have a very strong uptrend. We're going to have a very strong uptrend market. We're going to have a very strong uptrend market if the market is going to break. It's going to break this level. So you guys, it's one of the simplest. It's one of the simplest, easiest strategy. MRI is one of the easiest strategy in which you can trade, because you just wait for the bounce of 50 or the bounce of 200, then you execute that trade. Yeah. So let me set the 200 moving average. Let's take the 200. Let me check the 200 moving average here. Then we see how. So you can see the 200 moving average. The market didn't touch any of the 200 moving average. The market didn't touch any of the 200 moving average. See? The market didn't touch any of the 200 moving average. So it was just like, it was only the 50 EMA. It was only the 50 EMA. It was only the 50 EMA that gave us a signal today. Yeah, so if you are inside, this trade of, MRS, then we should continue holding this trade. Or maybe you should be looking, maybe some pips as the market goes, or break even this trend. Yeah, because right now we're going to Asian markets. Because right now we are going to Asian markets. And in Asian markets, the market usually has low volatility on the Asian market. So we should expect maybe tonight, maybe the market to go maybe on a ranging market during the Asian market, then maybe expect tomorrow a long uptrend market, long uptrend market on this currency, on this GBP USD. Maybe you can check, maybe we can check maybe USD. Let's check maybe how this market went today, Euro USD, because mostly USD and the GU kind of goes the same way. You can see this one is USD, just exactly the same. It works, it moves the same. So if you entered GBPSD, the entry was just here. Actually the pattern is exactly the same. Can you imagine? Can you, for example, see how the USD is? Then you see how GU is. It's exactly the same. Exactly the same. Exactly the same. Then you can spot here. I don't know if someone can spot here. Which pattern is this? Which pattern is this, guys? Yes. So if you have knowledge of, maybe you can execute that also on a trading on the trading part, on the trading part. Yeah. So this one was Euro USD. Yeah. Today we had high volatility during the London Open. Then high volatility during the New York Open. Then now the market is a bit, I don't know, market is ranging right now. There's no volume a lot. I think now, for reason because guys, like let me tell you, the reason why market now is a bit slow is I think London market is closed. Let me confirm here. Let me confirm here with time zone. I'm setting here my time zone. I'm setting here my time zone. Okay. Yeah. So London is about to close. London is about to close. So London is about to close in the next 15 minutes. London is about to close in the next 15 minutes. That's why the market is a bit slow. The market is a bit slow because London is about to close. But if you're in this trade, you can just hold this trade. If you're in this trade, you can just hold this trade. Because you're just following the rules. You got an entry on the New York Open, then can just hold that trade. Can just hold that trade because right now this market has gone how many pips? Let's check. The market has gone 17 pips. So not far. The market has not gone not far. So it's better to wait. For me, I'm very positive. For me, I'm positive this market is going to break this region. I'm positive it's going to break this region because let me check on a higher time frame. Maybe H4. Maybe see how this you see now. So on this higher time frame, you can see every time. So this one is 50 moving average. This is 50 moving average. So every time when the market touches 50 moving average, it usually like sells. When like to follow this pattern. You follow this pattern. When it bounces, you see this one is uptrend market. So the market always bounces off to their 50 moving average to buy. Can you see? When it bounces the 50 moving average, it buys. When it breaks and retest. So this one is what we normally call a breakout and retest. This one. The market broke below the 50 moving average, then we have here a retest. And normally here on the retest, you expect to have something called M pattern. Expect to see like head and shoulders pattern. See? Expect to see any reversal pattern that you can expect to see here. Like here we can see, for example, let's check together. Let's see if this one is kind of like a W or not W or an M or something like that. So you can see here, it's kind of like an M pattern. But this one is a bit slanting M. You can see it's kind of like an M pattern. This one also. So here, here we have two options right now. We have two options right now. So first, let's do the trend line. Then you can see, for example, what's going on. Let me draw the trend line first. So if I draw this trend line, then maybe I can know where the direction is. You can see this market reacted because of the trend line. That's the fact. That's the fact. Can see. So this market, if this market fails to break this trend line, then the next thing is it's going downtrend. See? So for those who are trading, for those who are trading swing trading, for those who are trading swing trading, right now they are looking for to sell. You see how sometimes the market is different times the time frame. So on this time frame, someone is looking to buy. On the other time frame, another person is looking to sell. So sometimes it differs. Sometimes it differs. Sometimes it differs. But for you just stick with what you know. Like for example here, someone who's trading maybe a swing trader, or someone who's holding maybe trade for 2 to 3 days, 5 days, or 1 week. This person entered here on Monday. On Monday, started deck. Then he went down 31st, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Friday, that's when maybe he decided to exit the market. So for those who are doing swing trading, maybe you can enter this market. Today is on a Monday. You can enter this market, then you exit here on Friday. For those who are trading, maybe swing trading, you can see it's a nice setup actually. It's a nice setup for swing trading. It's a nice setup if you want to swing maybe for a week. You want to swing for a week. Then so that's why that's why I was telling you guys, when you master how to draw this trend line, trading becomes so easy, effortlessly, because you just know where the market is. You have got the plan. Like here, like there's someone maybe who is waiting for this candle to close, then to enter, maybe to enter sell. But if this, because now it's remaining 1 hour, it's remaining 1 hour for this candle to close. It's remaining at least 1 hour for this candle to close, because this candle is called, I don't know if someone can identify this candle on a chat box or maybe on a to open the mic. Maybe someone can open the mic, maybe can tell us maybe which candlestick is this. This one, the current one. The current one. Which candle is that? Maybe on a chat box. Or Joseph anasema London isha close. Oh, London isha close. So that's why the market is a bit weak. Yeah, inverted, and not inverted, it's called hanging man. I don't know, I think this is spelling. Hanging man. Hanging man. It's called a hanging man. Hanging man candle. So this one is called hanging man candle. So this candle usually means that the sellers are now in control of the market. So it normally happens during an uptrend market. So during an uptrend market, and if this market maybe touches a certain resistance or for example a ceiling, it will form something like this. So this is called a hanging man. It's called a hanging man candle. Yeah, inverted hammer looks like this. Let me show you about inverted hammer. This one is, it's kind of like an inverted hammer. Yeah, this one. So this one is an inverted hammer. This one. Yeah. So inverted hammer, exactly, it means the same thing like hanging man. So see, this one is an inverted hammer. Inverted hammer. This one is an inverted hammer. This one is called an inverted hammer. So it usually means a strong downtrend. Usually means a strong downtrend is about to occur. Yeah, strong downtrend is about to occur. A strong downtrend is about to occur. Okay. So this one is for GBP USD. So we have checked on a higher time frame. Let me try maybe to draw this on this, maybe to form a triangle. Maybe to form a triangle, you can see. It's kind of like a triangle. Yeah, so this one is just this one is for sell. But if this market breaks this market is going to break this, then we're going to have a very strong uptrend. Yeah, but now the possibility now is we're just waiting for the market to do, because we learned the other time that in the market anything can happen. In the market anything can happen. Okay, so today we're going to learn about things that you must understand, things that like principles that you must master if you want to take trading to the next level. So I'm going to be sharing the screen right now. Maybe we start by one, guys. I start by one. So let me stop share this, and then we check. Yeah, like before we go for that, before we go for maybe to see the principles, then maybe we can maybe which currency can we analyze maybe together before we go to maybe check maybe for principles. Which currency? Can just set on your chat box. Which currency can we analyze together? Yeah, can chat on the chat box, guys. Which currency? Can we check which currency? Can we check gold? Can we check gold? Maybe check Misana Sama USD JPY. Let's check USD JPY. USD JPY. Okay. So this one is USD JPY. So currently right now, this USD JPY, I'm expecting a very strong downtrend market just by looking at what the market is doing right now. Can someone tell me maybe which pattern is this? Is all pattern. Can someone maybe guess this? Which pattern is this? Okay. Yeah, M are retest. So that M is something like this. So let's, for example, this one is the market. Let me remove this. So here, let's say these are ceiling. Then we have something like this. So that's gone like this, then like this, then like this, then kind of like this. So here, this one we normally call a triple tops, triple top pattern. So this one is called a triple top pattern. This one is called a triple top pattern. Just by seeing it, it's called a triple top. It's an M, but we have an extended M again, an extended leg of M again on that side. So it's called a triple top pattern. So this pattern usually signifies a very strong downtrend market. It usually signifies a very strong downtrend or the end of the uptrend. You see, this is the end of the uptrend. So it usually signals the end of the uptrend. So during this period, I remember I told you guys the other time, it was in the morning, I think so. Like during this time, you can be trading something called support resistance. Until when the market will decide either to go down or up, or down or up. So let's have an example here. You can draw horizontal line. Yeah, can see? Can draw the horizontal line. Then again, you can draw horizontal on upward. So here we had, our, we had our first touch, then second touch, then here is our third touch for downtrend. So if this market again comes to this region, then we're going to expect a very strong buy market. See, very strong buy market. So for this market, the first thing, even without analyzing it, is a strong downtrend. It signals a strong downtrend market. Then if we check maybe to analyze this market, maybe we check maybe daily chart. We check daily chart. We check how maybe on a daily chart, long-term view of this market. Take maybe long-term view. So on a daily chart, we can see, maybe you can draw like this. Something like this. Then we can draw something like this. So we can say, then we have here, something like, it was just like a ceiling. That's what the market is trying to break this level, but it's being rejected. So if this market fails to break, this level, then the next thing is downtrend. Till where? This area. You can see? So I'm expecting a very strong downtrend, but not a strong, maybe like long-term sell, something like that. No. It's kind of like a short-term trend. Like how many pips? Let's check together. Like expect something like 300 pips on sell. You can see this one is higher time frame. This one is on higher time frame. But you can see on a H4, we have yeah, expect something like this. Expect something like this. This is how you draw the trend line. You can see, very easy and precise. So if this market fails to break, it's going on a downtrend. It's going on a downtrend. Let's check 1 hour. So 1 hour, you can see 1 hour. You can see market is still on a downtrend. So here, this USDJPY is expect sell maybe from tomorrow. If it's going to break this level. If only it's going to break this level. Another way in which you can trade this is you can trade this using something called breakout and retest, something like this. So right now, like we are on a box. Isn't that true, guys? We are on a box. The market is moving on a box. So, like here, this market, like today, this market, like it will not move because now it's Asian market. So right now the market is not moving. So if this market is going to break, there's some people who will wait for this market to break this region, then retest. Then on this retest, sometimes it might form M pattern or just a plain M, then go down. So that's what I was telling you that time, like everyone is trading different. Everyone is trading different in the Forex market. So it's just for you to understand. It's just for you to understand where the trend is moving, where the trend is moving. So this one is for USDJPY. So if you want to trade maybe tomorrow, you can upload that box, then you wait for the retest, then you can do like a swing trade. Yeah, you can do like a swing trade. Maybe you want to trade long term, then it's good. You can trade also long term. Maybe we check on another currency. Or look at we see gold. Let's check gold. Yeah, so tomorrow if you get if you check gold, if you check USDJPY, make sure at least you see that box. Sometime maybe the market may retest something like that, but expect tomorrow to see maybe a strong sell of that market. So let's check gold. XAU USD. Okay, so this one is gold, guys. This one is gold. The first thing, guys, let's go to higher time frame. Every time, check on higher time frame to see the long-term view of the market. That's okay. So on high time frame, you can check on H1, or you can check on H4 or H4 or you can check on H4. So the first thing is you mark where the first thing is after you've opened the chart. After you have opened your chart, guys, now you've opened the chart and you want to start to analyze. The first thing you mark the lows. See? Boom. So you mark, like, for example, like this. See? So, so back before we had something like this. We had something like this. Let me remove this one so that you cannot confuse you guys. So previously, the market was like this one. Like this. So here we had our first touch, then our second touch, then the market went up. So you drew it. You drew it. So you are just waiting for this market. So you can drew also on upside. See, first touch, second touch. So throw like this. You can see. Then just hold. So you do like that. So you are waiting for the third touch. See this one? Your first touch, then the second touch. On the third touch, let's check together. That's how the market is moving. See? Then we had, so just waiting for the bounce of moving up. You can see this is where we could have entered the third touch. Then boom, the market now went up. See? Now, this trade is not valid to enter now a buy market. This trade now is not valid because it has not touched the trend line. So it's kind of like this one is just like it's kind of like just, yeah, like the trade which I was telling yesterday, like not yesterday, today morning, like it must touch the trend line or it must touch the moving average. You see, this one does not touch. So this one is just trying to fake. So what is going to happen is going to touch trend line, then boom, up, then goes up. So if you entered early here because of lack of patience, then you're going to be kicked out of the trade. Then guys, I told you the other time that on this trend line, you'll tend to see W patterns on the trend line. See here, like, see, for example, this one. See, this one is a W pattern, guys. See, on a trend line. This one is a W pattern. Even this one. Let's check. It's a W pattern. There's a W pattern too. So here, can I expect something like this? Expect something like this, or maybe, or something like this. Let me show you something. Can I expect something like this? Then boom, uptrend. Something like this. So this one's for gold. So if you get a nice setup here, if like someone who got an entry here, where can you exit this trade? So you can exit this trade nearest high. Where's the nearest high? It's around here. So this means you can set your TP at, you can just set horizontal line. You can set your TP at 127.19. That's your area of the TP. If this market comes to that area, if that markets come to that area, you can set your TP at that zone. At that zone. Maybe we check another, maybe we check which currency again. Then check which currency again. And check, let's check New Zealand. Which currency? Or GJ. Just have anasema GJ. Let's check GJ. GPP, JPY. Let's check GPP, JPY. So this one is H4. This one is H4 currency. So the first thing, guys, the first thing when you come to the screen, you just check what's happening. Just check what's happening on the market. Just check what's happening. Then if the pattern, if you see the market is not clear, you go to daily. Confirm. Go to daily, that chart. Now on a daily it's clear. On a daily now it's clear. So this means I can draw like this. You can see where's the first touch? It's here. You can see first touch, second touch, third touch. You can see how the market is moving. This one was your first touch. This one was your second touch. So this means you drew like something like this. You do something like this. So you're waiting for the third touch. So let's check. Boom, boom. You're just waiting. Sometimes you can wait for sometimes, maybe 2 weeks for you to get a nice entry. See how the market is moving. It's moving right now. It's moving right now. Boom. Green candle, spike buy. You can see how. So you got an entry there, spike buy. Boom. So on GPPUSD, if you want to get a nice setup right now, if you want to get a good trade, and also you can connect this one. You can see, connect the highs form like a channel. See? Something like this. So if you missed here to enter this trade, never enter in the middle of the trend line. Never enter in the middle of the trend. So this means, boom. It's either now, so if you want to trade this on a long term, it's either you wait for this area so that you can execute. And also you wait for that area. That's simple and precise. Simple and precise to trade, ways on which you want to trade. It's a simple and precise. So there's some people who just draw something like this and they just wait. They wait. If they get a nice setup, they enter the trade. See? So just simple and precise. That's what I was telling you the other time, guys. Like in the Forex market, like make your analysis to be simple. To be simple. Don't complicate things. Don't complicate like you're trying to analyze something like you're trying to like I remember back before when I was maybe a beginner of trading. I used to analyze so many indicators. I used to have something like this. Then I have something called like something like I used to have so many things. I used to do something like this. You could find sometimes I could get something like this. I was trying to analyze the market. I was trying to make some levels like this. Then I'm waiting for this market to touch here. So my trade was just something else. Confusion was just a lot of confusion. Yeah, I was having so many indicators. Sometimes I could have RSI. Sometimes I could have RSI. I could have RSI to trade. So I was having so many. So I was comparing this one. I was trying to compare this one, waiting for this one to confirm. Then I have this confirmation again. Then I'll have to confirm again with the moving average. By the end of the trade, by the end of the day, maybe I've not entered any trade, maybe because of the confusion part of it, you see? So it was more of confusion. I was doing so many things until someone told me, and also I read from different books that the best trader in the world, he has the easiest strategy that he can go to the street and take someone who has never traded Forex and teach him for 3 days, and the person can be trading that system. You know, like you see, like your system, should be so simple. Your system should be so simple in that you can teach someone who doesn't know about Forex. Just teach him the the entry and the exit, and the person can be trading. Because the goal in the Forex market is the goal of the Forex market is not that you need to be profitable every day. It's like a coin toss. Like a coin toss. It's like a coin toss. See, it's like a coin toss. Like today you make a profit, tomorrow you cannot. Tomorrow you get a loss to instead. But what differentiates between successful traders and unsuccessful traders is how much money do you make? How much money do you make when you win a trade, and how much money do you lose when you lose on a trade? When the trade goes against you, lose a trade. So this means if you have a plan, and you say, like, when I lose a trade, I'm gonna be losing 1% of that trade. And if this trade goes on my favor, I'm going to make maybe 2% or 3%. So this means your goal is just to take those trades that fit your edge. You must have an edge. So my edge can be this one for me, my trend line. This can be edge. Your edge can be moving average. Your edge can be anything. Your edge can be bounce of 50. Like for example here, you can see how the market is sometimes respect the MRS. This is MRS on a daily time frame. This one is MRS on a daily time frame. On a daily time frame. You can see here you got an entry by just holding the trade. So this one is an edge for someone else who is trading MRS on daily charts. This one is a strategy for someone who is holding a trade for MRS on a daily time frame. You can see. So this is just a system which you need to know which system works best for you. So if let's say you are busy and you want to trade MRS on a daily time frame, you want to swing trade on MRS, you can swing trade on MRS. Both you can profit. But sometimes you can get trades, maybe 2 trades a month. You can get 2 trades a month. There's something here I want to show you. So let's say, for example, you always face difficulty in drawing the levels, maybe support and resistance, because not everyone can draw support and resistance correctly. So I think it is an indicator here. There's an indicator here called so what you do, guys, you can go here. So I want to show you one indicators, and then maybe you can close today, and then tomorrow maybe you can continue on that principles. So I want to leave you with something else, and then which you can test it. You can test it on your own. So on this trading view, you just go here to indicators. See here where it is indicators. So type support and resistance. So this support and resistance is automated. It follows the market. It is automated. So what you do, you click support and resistance. You can see where it is. Support and resistance. It's called resistance levels with breaks. So you click like that. See how it is? So this one marks levels for you. So if you are having maybe difficulty in drawing the maybe like support, maybe because sometimes maybe you can see someone maybe draws maybe support and resistance, and someone is telling you, I cannot see that level. I cannot see that level. So this one I think can be easy for you. So it's called support and resistance. It's automated. You just type there on a trading view indicators. So this means if this one interested for you, this means for you, for you to trade, it's easy now for you to trade because you can just extend these levels. Like here, you can just extend it. It has marked for you this level. So this means you are only going to trade this level if this market is going to come to this level again, and just extend it. It's given you the levels. You can see. So for you, just waiting for the market to touch there, then you sell. See, it's marking the levels where the market retests. Like for example here, for here, it gave you, like, see here. So here, for example here, si hapa tuko na trade, here we didn't have any trade. So let's assume we had something like this. Something like this. Let's check something like this. So here we got maybe a small one. So you just extend it like this. Then you wait. See how where it is market react. And also here, you can see this one reacted here. See this one reacted here again. I think this one, I think this one is also it's also a nice one to maybe for someone who is trying to begin. Maybe we check, let's check gold on this XAU USD. Let's check gold. Let's check gold. So let's remove these lines. I'm trying to remove these lines. So gold already it has marked for you. So here you can see here, guys. On this level, we had these lines. So let's say let's hide this one. Let's hide this one. So here you can see here, it gave you that the market has broken this level. So this means we were expecting if this market has broken this line here, we're expecting something called a retest, the Forex market. Is that true, guys? It's called a retest. It's called a retest. Also here, it gave you this one. And also the market came exactly there, then came down. Then here again, on see here, the reacted here again, came down. So here it broke this here. So here we were expecting something called a retest, something like here. See here it broke, then I was expecting something called a retest. Then up. But the market didn't test. See? So here we had no trade. But let's check here. Let's check here. See here. Here we have like a resistance. Then it broke that resistance. So what next? We are expecting a retest on this region here. So let's check. Boom, boom, boom. The market went again. Boom, boom. The market went. See where the market reacted. See here. See here. So if you could have extended this line, you could have gotten this trade. Is it making sense, guys? Is it making sense? Nice one, nice one, nice one. Yeah. So if you want to get this indicator, it's called support and resistance. It's called support and resistance on a trading view. Yeah, it's automated. So this one is just automated. So if, for example, come on, like you feel like you're a beginner, because like I know maybe there's someone here, maybe is a beginner, maybe like it doesn't have confidence of drawing. It doesn't have confidence of identifying, oh, this level is it has broken this level. This one can be the easiest way for you maybe to understand. Can be the easiest way for you to understand. We said this 2025, we're going to learn deeper in the market. We're going to learn deeper in the market. Maybe someone can get this, and someone can maybe understand more about this one. Then it can be your own. It can be your own. It can be your own. This one is just one of them. I have so many. I have like 5 of them, which I'll be teaching you on advanced. I have 5 of them, which like indicators like this, which I'm gonna be teaching you on advanced. So, like for example here, let's say right now, you want to trade this one right now. Let's say you want to trade right now. What will you do? You just do like this. You just extend like this one, because this one is a psychological level. This one is not just a level. It's like an order blocks. This one is just like an order blocks, but it is automated. Like an order blocks, but it is automated. Yeah, so it can be easy for you. So you can add something on this. You can see here, you could have gotten this trade, breakout and retest. So here, I'm waiting for this market again to come to this area. Maybe I can mark maybe something like this. You just extend it. Just extend it like that. Can see? Then you come again to extend this one. Then you wait. Like this. It has given you the... So I'm waiting something. So if this market is going to fail to... If this market comes to this area, I'm going to buy. So it's one of the easiest simple strategy. So here you're not waiting for the first touch, second touch, third touch. No, 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 no. This one is just automated. That level is a psychological level. You can see here. So here it gave you earlier, like for example, this one. See this one. So it gave you earlier, for example, here. So for you, you're just waiting for that market to extend. Here you could have entered here, buy again, a buy again, a buy again here, a sell here, but the market broke. Then you waiting for the retest again. Boom here. See? So here so right now we're waiting for the market to touch this level. See? So every day we're going to learn something different. Every day we'll be learning something different. Something different, something different, something different, something different. So here, it's going to break out. So if the market is going to break at this, then we're going to have something with a retest. Then on a downtrend. So which market can we check again? Which market can we check maybe again? Maybe in the chat box. Yeah, guys, trading is one of the best. Trading is one of the best platform to analyze. It's one of the best platform to analyze. Yeah. Like how many have got problems with registering with TradingView? Yeah, it's very easy, guys. You just log. You don't need to register. You just log in with the email. Which currency can we check again? Maybe which currency can we check? Or GJ? Or that one we have seen. Which one can we check? Maybe we check. Can we check GU? Let's check GU with this. Oh, we check Nasdaq. Okay, check Nasdaq. Check Nasdaq. Nasdaq 100. So every time, then I told you guys, when you're looking for Nasdaq, make sure you look for something that's been written Owanda. 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 Or FXCM. Owanda or FXCM. That one is the best. So here, so Nasdaq, the market retest. You can see like a W. Like a W. See? It's like a W. So this one is a bit tricky to trade right now. This one is a bit tricky to trade right now because I think now the market is ranging. But here you can see we had a breakout. But here you can see we had a breakout. I don't know if it's clear here. We had a breakout. We had a breakout, then retest. I don't know if it's clear on this side. Then we had again a W here. Then market goes up. Yeah, for this one. Maybe you can check maybe H4. Maybe you can check H4 to see maybe how now H4 is making sense. Now H4 is making sense. Let me remove these trains. Now H4 is making sense. So here, so H4 is making sense. So if you are trading on H4, let's say for example here. Here first you got an entry. Now here you got an entry. Then niwaambia like most time tumianga bodies. Most times always use the bodies. Unaona kama hapo mko ngojea hapo like ungepata hii trade. So always use the body. Hata kikuchore hivyo, let's say if the chart draws to you here, then wait for the body. You can draw where the body is. Yeah. So here, if you got here, let's say you drew here like in terms of this. So this means you are waiting for the market to touch this level. See? Let's check. Then boom, we had. So you could got an entry here. See? Then boom. See how the market went. So let's say you want to trade right now. Let's say you want to trade right now. Yeah. So this session I'm recording. Guys. This session I'm recording. So you'll get this after this class on my YouTube. You'll get this on my YouTube channel after this too. So if you have not got it, don't worry. We'll just get it on the channel. So so let's say right now you want to trade. let's say right now you want to trade. Where will you be interested to look for entries? I don't know if where will you be interested to look for entries? This is Nasdaq. It's here. See? Wangapi tuna agree? Wangapi we are together? Maybe like this is the level. Okay. Okay. Yeah. That is the level. That is the level. So right now, if you want to trade, like let me tell you guys, if you're a beginner of Forex and you want just to have a good start in the Forex market, I think this something is like it will help you a lot. It will help you a lot to understand more about levels and others. Because this one, it just give you an idea. Just give you an idea where to buy, when to sell. So here, so for example, here you got an entry here. See? Just a minute. Okay. So here, kwanza ulipata entry poa sana. You got an entry, a very nice entry here. Got a nice entry, you bought it. So if you bought it here, where are you going to take your TP? Where are you going to set your TP? You're going to set your TP on the next reversal region here. See? Here. Then here, if this market comes here and reacts with a bearish candle, then sell. Ukiona market imerudi this area, sell. Here, just sell. Don't compromise with the market. Just sell. See? See how it is? See how? So you can just be playing with this, and you can just be playing with you can just be playing with these regions. Maybe which market again can we check? Maybe two markets, another two markets, maybe then we close the meeting. On the chat box, maybe which currency? Which one? Which currency can we check? Can we check New, New Zealand dollar? Let's check New Zealand dollar. New Zealand USD. New Zealand USD. Then GU. So here, see this one, guys. This one was a nice trade. This one it gave you earlier. It gave you earlier that this was the region where we have like some it's kind of like an order blocks. Then here it gave you a W. You can see here it's a W. Exactly the market came here. Then here the market again was rejected here. You can see now it's being rejected again because of this level. You can see because of that level. You can see. See, this one is a W pattern. You could have executed here and you set your TP the next reversal region, which is here. Let me check maybe H1, we see how this, see how the market went, guys. Exactly the same. This one I've not drawn it. This one is automated. This one I've not drawn it. This one is automated. So if you have, let's say you have the knowledge of market structure. Sana is idea like most people will be on advance because they'll be having the knowledge of breakout and retest the structure of the market. So here, like for example here, see this one was the box. This one the box. So here we have something like this. So if this market comes to this region here, that will be a breakout and retest. See this one here. I'm explaining something like this. Where will I set my TP? So here it a form. So in market ikifika this side, here we will have a line, something like a line here to show you that that's the next reversal region. That's the next reversal region. Like here we had this one. Then if come on get stand, if you could have extended, you can see a retest here, like an M pattern, then downtrend that area. So here no ungechukua TP. So these lines, you can take your TP and also an entry. Think it's clear? Yeah, so this one is for, so if you want to trade New Zealand dollar, maybe tonight, because right now is the Asian markets, can wait for the retest, this region. Can see that is because this one is a box. Retest, then boom, up. Okay, tuangalie, let's check June, then I think night time is moving, time now is up, then we close. Like tomorrow we'll be covering this maybe on a deeper side, maybe during the London Open. On the London Open, we'll be checking, and also we'll be checking this on the London Open as we take our trade. We'll also be checking this. We'll be checking this in the market. So GBPSD. Let me remove my drawings just to remain with what. So in GBPSD, you can see only right now we have this region. Can just extend it. We have first this region. Then we have this region again here. Then we have this one, but here you can see here the market is ranging. So the most important areas which I'm interested is either here or here. For now. So na kama like normally nilikuwa nakwambia like the other time kuna na market range unakuwa unaweza trade vizuri sana. Can be trading very well. You can see support, resistance, just trade support, resistance, support, resistance, support, resistance, support, resistance, support, resistance, support, resistance, support, resistance. Can see. For example, if you get area that is the market is ranging, it will be just be giving you right signals. For example, here. Then I told you guys like these lines, it will draw for you on the wicks. But when it draws for you on the wicks, try as much as possible to draw where the body is. Come here, for example, here. See hapa ilikuchorea, for example, in the wicks. So you could have drawn it on the body so that you can get this entry. See? So you got this entry. Then here again, on the body, then you got this entry. You got this entry here. So like today, like right now, if you want to, right now it has given us it has given us on the wick. So you can draw it on the body here, where the body is closed. See? The body closed. Let's check USD for the last, maybe, then we call it a day. USD. Same thing. So here we had this one. We had this reversal region here. We had this. So right now it's being rejected here. You can see. See, if you could have extended it, it's now being rejected here. See. So here you can draw again here, something like this on the body. So the people who took trade here, they're going to have a very strong sell till this region. It's like you're just playing with the levels. Okay, maybe one question before we call it a day, guys. I'll be repeating this tomorrow. Maybe on the London Open. So don't miss tomorrow London Open. Don't miss tomorrow London Open. We'll be covering the more of this. And also, if you have not understand, I'm gonna be uploading this on the YouTube right now. So if you have not understand, you can just take a nice repeat on the video. And also, I've uploaded another video like 2 hours ago for that video is for, I don't know, it's for what, it's for something for just for analysis. I've uploaded something on the video right now. Okay, okay. So guys, so for those who have requested for maybe because uh just a minute, just a minute I post this recording first so that just a